All right, folks. So today we're going to take a look at what is the best affiliate marketing training out there. There's a lot of different courses you can buy. A lot of them are really shady and scammy. Some of them are really good. There's a lot of real good ones out there. The one I want to talk about today, where you can start for 100% free. You don't even need a credit card to sign up, and you get 2 free websites, free training, and there's this huge community here, as what you're looking at on the screen right now is called Wealthy Affiliate. There's a link in the video description below for the sign up. And like I said, you don't even need a credit card to sign up or anything, but let's take a look at what actually is in it. There is obviously a premium version of it, and there's the free version of it, which the free version of it, you can get a lot of stuff. Right now I'm looking at my dashboard page, and we have like a kind of like a Facebook kind of wall here, but with no spam. These are all members with inside, and you can ask members questions. You could network with members. For example, my profile is here. And actually, if you use my link to sign up, you're going to be connected with me instantly. I'm going to contact you, and we're going to be in touch, and I can help you out with anything else you want with inside the platform here. So that's real cool. I have like a following 100 or 1,600 people, the community over here, and we'll get into that later. But I want to take a look at the training, because I'm saying this is the best training. Now, there's 2 different trainings you can start here. Is the online certification and the affiliate bootcamp. They're very similar. Just the affiliate bootcamp is more focused on promoting Wealthy Affiliates itself, and it goes into some different things. I recommend. I mean, it depends what niche you want to get into, because you want to pick a niche. You definitely want to start with this one if you're going to choose your own niche. But if you want to get into the making money online kind of business, then you want to start with this one here, the affiliate bootcamp. And getting started level 1, that's completely free. These are the other levels that you would pay for, but there's a lot in the free version here that you're definitely going to know if this is something for you or not once you get into it, because there's so much information that they give you to start off with for free. Like these 10 lessons here. This could take you, a week or so to get through, maybe a little less depending on how much you work. And real feedback from real members. A lot of the times you see on those ClickBank, there's all these fake testimonials and stuff, but these are real members with real feedback. And these people, like I said, are all in here, and you can connect with them, private message. I think a free account you can't private message people, but on paid for a version you can. Anyways, let's get back to the training. So we have lesson 1, getting rolling, understanding how to make money online, choosing a niche, building your own website, setting your website up, getting it ready for search engines, creating your initial content, creating your custom menus for your website, understanding keywords, and then on to the next step. So right here, just in the beginning, you're off to a great start, because you're going to build your website. And by the way, you get 2 free ones where you can start with. Like I said, you don't need to buy any extra things or whatever. It's going to teach you how the money-making process works. There's different strategies. This is good. They're going to show you their strategy here. That's a proven strategy. You can choose your niche. Now, this could be anything. If you're into sports, if you're into baseball, if you're into soccer, if you're into music, guitar playing, drums, whatever, acting, stay-at-home moms, whatever. It doesn't matter. You can make money off pretty much any niche. And you probably want to pick something you're interested in, because obviously you're going to stick with it then, and you become more of an expert in that field. So people will gain trust, and they'll trust your website more and stuff like that when you build your website, and then you have your articles and things related to products that you will be selling or promoting, not really selling, other people's products. So setting up your website, getting it ready for search engines. Now this is a very important part here, the search engine optimization. So when people are on Google searching for things, they'll come across your site, and you don't have to pay for advertising or traffic or anything like that. And that goes into all that stuff here. Let's just take a look at understanding how to make money online, this lesson here too. They're all these lessons are pretty much done by Cal. He's one of the co-founders of Wealthy Affiliate, and they've been around since 2005. So they're not like some fly-by-night company that's whatever. They've been around. And there's video training. There's a 13-minute video there. There's understanding how the affiliate marketing works. The benefits of affiliate marketing is that you don't have any inventory, you don't have any customer support of your own, you don't have any warehouses, you just, you don't need anything You don't need to buy products, invest in products, invent a product. That's all done for you. You just have to say, okay, here's a product A, about whatever, and and people click on that link on your website and they go to Amazon or wherever they go to and make a purchase. Then you make a commission, and it's that simple. In theory, it takes time to learn how to do all this stuff, but it's really that simple. But setting up your website and getting everything rolling and getting the traffic to come to your site, that's a little more complicated. And that's where you're going to learn here. And like I said, there's 10 lessons for free. So it's like a no-brainer. If there's something you're interested in doing, you might as well just sign up. And by the way, like I said, if you use my link, I'm gonna greet you. Oh wait, my profile here. I'm going to contact you on your little message board here. You have a profile. You want to upload a picture, fill a little profile about yourself, and then you'll have your profile. But I'm going to contact you here on your little wall kind of thing, and I'm going to give you bonuses and stuff like that as well. And I'm going to be here to help you as well. And not only that, the owners of the company will actually help you out too. They will contact you, pretty much right away, And if you want to upgrade to the premium account, I think it's $19 for the first month. And then there's different options like that. But there's a lot of stuff. Let's just take a little system tour. Account profile. Activity dashboard. That's the community thing. Let's actually go back to that real quick. I'll show you some of the things in there. So these are people in the community. People you have your own blog within here as well. And there's no spam. It's very conquering your fear. There's a lot of helpful people here that will help you out. One thing I recommend you doing is I'm ranked 372 at the moment. I recommend when you sign up to go to the ranks. It's taking for a while to load this page for some reason. And you follow at least the top 25. Cal and Carson will automatically follow you. They're the co-founders. But all these people right here, these are the top people, helpful people on the platform. And it goes to 200 or whatever. But, you don't want to overwhelm yourself. So, yeah, check it out. Let me get back to where I was. Back to the system tour here. So the world-class training, we should do that. Plus, if you're a premium member, there's live events too every Friday. Usually it's Fridays. There's live courses, up-to-date stuff like that. You can ask questions live. And if not, you can always watch the rerun of it. And then we have your websites. That's where you create your sites. Live events I just talked about. Keyword research, very, very important for finding your niches and domains and all kind of other stuff. Brainstorming ideas and getting your keywords all together. Chat, live chat, help center. Very useful resource here. If you're looking for help for something, you just type it in and lots of stuff will pop up. Like I said, you get your own blog and stuff like that here. Credit system, lucrative affiliate program within itself. Just a bunch of stuff. Private one-on-one coaching, that's for the premium members. But there's so much in here, and like I said, it's free, so it's like a no-brainer. It's like you might as well just sign up and try it. But in my opinion, I use it. Obviously, I'm a member here, and lots of other people use it as well. So it's worth checking out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Hit the notification bell, and check this out, folks. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.